I'm not sure how I'm going to get this, guys. I don't even know what you can or can't see. My tripod is just bending right in the snow. My mother wants me to do the driveway. You might... hoping I can do this. We might be going swimming or out for bread, and thousands of bread, thousands of milk, guys. First, they do in the front here, guys. I'm hoping my tripod don't tip over. It's heavy. It is so heavy. I need to get a girlfriend, crank out some kids, guys. Get them little child shovels or something. Tell them it's a fun thing. Be out here shoveling. Oh, it's heavy. Wish I had someone to help me, guys. It's just me. I made my mother do it. There's the girl lives next door. She's got her own shoveling to do with her boyfriend. Hopefully I get some views on this video, guys. Someone manually shoveling snow. You normally have to plow. I'm trying to cut this so my mom can back out. I have so much snow in my shoes, it's not funny. Oh. 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 Wish I had an MP3 player would help with music, guys. It just falls right back where you put it. I'm about to lose my shit, guys. It's a better shovel in the car. Wish I got up earlier to shovel. Heart's pounding. I haven't seen snow this deep in years. Yeah, you might be saying use a snowblower. The way a snowblower could get to this, if you plow, I think it just swallowed my heart, guys. really good work song to do this, guys. Better shovel. It's more for digging. The other shovel's more pushing. Like when you get a small amount of snow. My gloves are soaked. I'd be surprised if a frostbite when we get done. Hope my batteries stay good. The batteries die at the end. I'll show you the finished driveway and the mountain of snow I cleared. See how much better I do with this shovel, guys? It's my favorite. That's why we keep it in the car. Hope I get done by 1, guys. Time now. 12:20. My feet got so much snow. The boots are freezing. Send me some glove warmers or some foot warmers if you want. I'll make more vids like this this spring. I'll be my address or something. Give me some glove warmers. Probably the same thing. Kidding. Yeah, kidding. I see snow again. I'd rather be watching Netflix or anime than this, guys. Not sure if you can hear me. At least it's not heavy, some of it. It's more fluffy. There you go, guys. Why the hell don't I know anyone with a plow besides Ray? You don't use it. But yeah, it's so easy, guys, when you think we're gonna get any snow. More. Holy God, this piece is heavy. Grab some popcorn, guys. I'll try to keep this video interesting. Plus, if someone moving snow manually, might be interesting, guys. Someone moving snow manually. See how really strong bleach is. Really good upper body strength to my back so much. Plow puts a bunch in my driveway, the village plow. This isn't a normal snowfall by any means or anywhere. People out walking in this, guys. See how interesting it is how. This would be a good video to take a nap to, guys. You guys get done shoveling or snowballing and watch me do it. Like, yeah, I did that too. I'll have to shovel up the fire hydrant later, guys. It's almost as fun as watching paint dry, guys. I'm freezing. My teeth are starting to chatter, guys. That blade's just die hard, guys. Good cardio, guys.
Really isn't that hard at all. It's probably gonna come in.
trying to see if we're, can't even talk, guys. I'm not even sure if we're still recording. Heck, maybe the cold will slow down the batteries from dying, guys. Wishful thinking. Oh yeah, guys, here's my samurai sword broom. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna croak, guys. You still taping? Just curious. The crop that's been even cutting a bit. You still taping? I think so. My camera's all fogged up a bit. It's not like the cold, guys. 26 minutes, I guess. Getting ready to puke, guys. Getting ready to puke. Shit, guys, I'm gonna have to pretend I'm frickin' Goku and summon a spirit bomb just to get this done. Cut this a little bit more. Pretend I'm Goku, guys. I'm gonna spirit bomb and get this done. Blow it right the fuck up. Figures I have to shovel the road just to get my mom out. Well, good thing I grew my beard back, guys. Oh, it's in my face. Called a Gilson or something. I forget, but it's one of those like old tractors with a plow on it. I forget what it is. You know what I mean? Like it's like a snowblower, but it has a plow, guys. Sweat, mustache snow. Maybe snow. It's just easier to put it over here, guys. Put it over there. I was a kid still, guys. I built a really cool fort, this snowbank. Someday I will with my kids, guys. We're bound to get more winters like this in my lifetime. My foot is frickin' frozen, my left foot, so. Slowly but surely, guys, slowly but surely. All these kids walk by, think they give me a hand. Not this day and age. Maybe 20 years ago. Why'd I say that? Be a good money-making thing for kids just to walk around with shovels and stuff. That's what I'm trying to say. See all these plows going by, no one's gonna plow for free. Even with my small driveway, guys. I don't know, they may hit the car. Bad enough I hit the car with the plow, the Stamper LT11 that one day, guys. Doesn't even seem I'm making a dent in this side. I've reached a new level of pain, guys. It's hilarious. I have to prove that I do work on a video. $2 Walmart shovel's doing good, guys. trouble walking. How fun. I love this. This is so much fun actually shoveling this, guys. Man. Hey, come back here and plow my driveway. That's how. No, I'm not going to complain. He's probably had stuff to do. Especially plowing my driveway, guys. What's left of it? Takes the car long. Man, don't eat the snow around here, guys. This will be my video or something, the picture for the video. Aw, I tried. Lose my mind, guys. As you can tell by the end of the video, I was starting to lose my mind eating snow. I shoveled it yesterday. This is what's in it now. I'll shovel that fire hydrant out over there. But yeah, this is sun's actually out now. It'll melt some of it. Yeah, I guess that's the end of the video. Please comment and subscribe, guys. See ya, bye. I dug the fire hydrant out, guys. Wasn't as bad. It's my driveway. Snow's starting to melt. It's getting really easy to move, but this is the end of the video. Hope you like what you see. I didn't like what I see. I don't like seeing all the snow. But please comment, share, and subscribe. Take care, guys. Bye. I'm Bleach, the talking fire hydrant. Goodbye, guys.